In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to draw arrows on chess.com like a grandmaster. Whether you are analyzing one of your recent games, showing a friend a specific tactic, or streaming your moves live to an audience, knowing how to draw arrows and highlight squares is a must-have skill for any chess player. This feature is built directly into the chess.com interface, making it incredibly easy to highlight strategies, threats, or mistakes in real time. If this video helps you improve your chess setup or analysis, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to help the channel grow. Alright, let's get right into the steps. First, make sure you are in a game or in the analysis board on the chess.com website. To draw your very first arrow, the process starts with your mouse. Move your mouse cursor over to the starting square where you want the arrow to begin. Now, this is the most important part. You must use the right-click button on your mouse. Click and hold the right-click button down on that starting square. While keeping the button held down, drag your cursor across the board to the target square where you want the arrow to point. Once you have reached the destination, simply release the right-click button to complete the arrow. You will see a clear arrow appear on the board, pointing from your start point to your end point. This is perfect for visualizing piece movements or attacking lines. Now, sometimes one color is not enough, especially when you are trying to differentiate between different plans or threats. You can actually customize the colors of your arrows by using simple keyboard modifiers. If you want to draw a red arrow, which is great for showing blunders or direct threats, hold down the control key on your keyboard while you right-click and drag. If you want a green arrow to show the best moves or safe squares, hold down the shift key while performing the right-click and drag motion. Finally, if you want an orange arrow to represent alternative ideas or positional nuances, hold down the Alt key while you right-click and drag. Using a combination of these colors will make your analysis look professional and much easier to follow. If you made a mistake or want to clear the board, simply left-click anywhere on the empty space of the board and all your arrows and highlights will vanish instantly. This allows you to keep the board clean as the position evolves. Mastering these visual tools will significantly improve your ability to calculate lines and explain your thought process to others. It is one of those small features that makes a world of difference when you are trying to understand deep chess positions. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more chess tips, tricks, and software guides. I produce content like this regularly to help you navigate the world of online chess more efficiently. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy playing and good luck on your next match on chess.com.